Once upon a time, on a sunny farm, there lived a farmer and his old donkey. The donkey had been a loyal companion for years, helping with various tasks, but now it was getting up there in age. One fateful day, the old donkey accidentally tumbled into a dry well, causing a stir as it cried out for help. The farmer, hearing the commotion, rushed to the scene, filled with concern. After assessing the situation, the farmer made a tough decision. He believed his donkey was too old to save and figured it was time to fill in the well anyway. He called his neighbors, who gathered around to lend a hand, shoveling dirt into the well. As they worked, the donkey, initially panicking, began to realize what was happening. Surprisingly, it quieted down and started to shake off the dirt that landed on its back, stepping up onto the new layer. With each shove of dirt, the donkey kept shaking it off and stepping higher. Suddenly, to everyone's amazement, it stepped right out of the well and trotted away happily. The farmer was astounded, realizing the lesson in this experience. Life throws challenges our way, but by shaking off the negativity and stepping up, we can overcome anything. Remember, every obstacle can become a stepping stone to success if we tackle it with courage and a positive mindset.